this quick video, we'll look at how to import SCPI commands from the clipboard. So to begin with, we will define the instrument that we want to talk to. So we'll go to File, New Instrument. In this example, we'll talk to the N6701A power supply, so we'll give it the name N6701A. We'll use simulation mode for this example, so we'll leave the address blank. The description will give it a simple description. Down in the search box for the command set, we'll type in N6701A again, and then we'll press the search button. We see that we have two different command sets we can choose. We'll choose the command set with the latest firmware version, as it probably has the most recent SCPI commands in it. So then we'll press the Create button. Since we didn't have the command set present, Command Expert will download the command set and install it and prepare it for us. Now to import the commands, we'll go to File, Import Sequence. Since we're importing from the clipboard, we'll click From Clipboard, and then we will paste our commands there. If you look at our SCPI commands here, most of the lines are simple SCPI commands just written out as text. We have a few lines here that have a pound symbol, and that's going to be a comment in this example. And we'll see how we can deal with those comments moving forward. So we'll press the next button. Here we'll say we want to give the name of our instrument N6701A. Again, we'll leave the address blank for simulation mode. And then we'll choose the N6701A command set that we downloaded here. Now once we pick the command set, you can see that most of the SCPI commands were recognized. There are a few lines here where it says unknown command. There's our comments. And then there's actually a few lines of SCPI commands that are actually not recognized. And what that means is that this command set doesn't have those SCPI commands inside of it. These could still be valid SCPI commands. We just haven't updated the command set to add these commands to the command set. So we'll deal with that in the next step. So let's click Next. Now we get the option of what to do with those unrecognized steps. We could remove those unrecognized steps. We can convert those to direct commands and send that SCPI directly to the instrument, even though it's not in the command set. Or we could turn all of those steps into comments. Since we do know that some of these lines are actual SCPI commands that we want to send, we'll choose the second option to turn those into direct commands. And finally, we'll click Import. Now you can see all of our commands have been added to the sequence here. Now for those lines that were comments, what we can do is we can actually select those. We can see the pound, this portion of the test. And we can select those lines and we can delete them. So we'll look for any more comments. Here are a couple. And then two more. So we have some traditional SCPI commands and then these invoke lines that will send the SCPI directly to the instrument. So we'll press the play button, and you can see that the status is green because we're in simulation mode. If an instrument was connected, we should be able to send those commands to the instrument now. And that's all there is to it.